Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. A is a place where people leave their rubbish on land. Leave their rubbish بيسيبوا القمامة فين؟ Letter A. Habitat or forest or landfill or desert. Which one? The right answer is letter C. Landfill. Number 2. Bears live in poor habitats. كلمة habitat is similar in meaning to lifestyle or skill or appearance or home. Which one? habitat البيئة بتاعتها بيئة المعيشة بتاعتها يبقى الهوم بتاعتها. So the right answer is letter D. Home. Number 3. The pharaohs preserved their dead bodies well. Preserved يحفظ. This means they space them well. Discovered or sold or kept or served. Which one? Preserve equal keep. So preserved equal kept. The right answer is letter C. Number 4. Today we use modern ways of farming. The opposite of modern عكس كلمة modern حديث is traditional, expensive, new or far. The right answer is the word traditional. Letter A. Number 5. A or an is a piece of equipment you use to see things that are far away. نشوف الحاجات البعيدة باستخدام ايه؟ Letter A. Telescope or microscope or amplifier or web page. The right answer is letter A. Telescope. Number 6. To form the adjective from the word coast. Coast اللي هو الساحل. We add which one? A-L, L-Y, I-N-G or A-D. Coastal is letter A. The right answer is letter A. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. A or an is the natural home for animals or plants. البيئة اللي بيعيش فيها النبات والحيوان is called what? Ocean or school or habitat or sky. The right answer is letter C. Habitat. Number 2. This math question is very difficult. What is the production or population? Production إنتاج. Population الكثافة السكانية. Solution حل. Pollution طبعا التلوث. So this math question is very difficult. What is the solution? ما الحل. Number 3. In the past we used old ways of farming. استخدمنا الطرق القديمة في الزراعة. Yes, the antonym of the word old is what? عكس كلمة old. Old the opposite بتاعها what? So expensive or modern or traditional or far. The opposite of old is modern. Number 4. We can get the adjective from use by adding the suffix what? IVE or LY, ION or FUN. So we can change the verb. نغير الفعل use أخليه adjective لأن أزود له FUL. The suffix FUL يبقى useful. Number 5. The plants we grow on farms are called. النباتات اللي احنا بنزرعها بنسميها ايه؟ Ingredients or crops or fossil fuels or grasslands. Which one? So the right answer is crops اللي هي المحاصيل. Number 6. Many people use social media to communicate. They can space to each other. Talk or walk or play or sleep. Which one? Communicate equal talk. They can talk to each other. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. Means cloth or materials used to make clothes or bags etc. بستخدم ايه عشان اعمل بيه القماش او الماتيريال اللي انا بستخدمها عشان اعمل بيها الملابس والباجز والشنط. Fabric or liquid or paint or light. Which one? The right answer is the word fabric. Number 2. The person who researches and writes news articles is called what? A photographer, a journalist, or presenter, or vet. The right answer is the word journalist. Letter C. Is the person who researches and writes news articles. اللي بيعمل أبحاث وبيكتب مقالات يبقى بسميه journalist. Number 3. To get the adjective from sustain, we add the suffix what? sustain عشان أخليها adjective أزود لها able sustainable. So the right answer is letter C. Number 4. My parents don't allow me to watch TV late. The synonym of the word allow. Allow equals what? allow يسمح بتساوي كلمة ايه؟ let or prevent يمنع. reject يعترض أو يمنع. letter D, find which one? The right answer is the word let. allow equal let. Number 5. All the groceries fell down from the bag. There must be a in it. High, whole, or hill, or hill. So the right answer is letter B, whole. Number 6. My friend is angry. He must be angry غاضب. Angry بتساوي كلمة A. About what I did. Pleased, or enjoyable, or injured, or cross. The word angry equal cross. So the right answer is letter D. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. We can't continue to use petrol for cars because it is not. It is not what? Surrounded, simple, or sustainable, or rechargeable. ما اقدرش استخدم البترول بكثرة عشان ده مش متجدد. So the right answer is letter C. Sustainable is not sustainable. Number 2. When someone can't use a part of their body, so this means he or she is what? كلمة إيه اللي هنا بتساوي كلمة معاق. Professional or disabled, amateur or renable. Which one? معاق disabled. Disabled people اللي هم المعاقين. Number 3. My father is kind. The antonym of the word kind is عكس كلمة kind is what? Soft or easy or cruel or amazing. The opposite of kind is cruel. Number 4. We use the suffix space to give the adjective of environment. Environment أزود لها al, environmental be. So this is an adjective. Number 5. A is a person who sees events first and reports it. الشاهد اللي بيشوف الحدث الأول بعد كده يبلغ عنه. So criminal or barber or witness or baker. The right answer is letter C, witness. Number 6. A or an is a person who rules a city or an area. Rule معناها يحكم. So governor or astronomer or astronaut or assistant. Which one? So the right answer is letter A, governor. الحاكم أو المحافظ is the person who rules a city or an area. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. The adjective from the word success. Success اللي هو النجاح can be formed by adding the suffix what. كلمة success عشان أحولها الادجكتيف صفة أزود لها إيه؟ MENT, FUL, TION or NESS. Success النجاح أو ينجح. So successful ناجح. The right answer is letter B, successful. Number 2. Space is the ability of doing something well. Ability قدرة skill. So skull ولا skill ولا sail ولا sell. So the right answer is letter B, is skill. Ability, skill. Abilities, skills. Number 3. Egypt is usually sunny, so it is a good place to use what? Rubbish or wind energy, solar energy or water energy. Sunny, solar. Sunny, solar. The right answer is letter B. Number 4. The person who studies space is a space what? اللي بيدرس الفضاء بيبقى اسمه space ايه؟ عالم فضاء. Space dentist or scientist or artist or pharmacist. So the right answer is letter B, a space scientist. Number 5. In the past, we used traditional ways of farming. The antonym of the word traditional is عكس كلمة traditional is what? Old or expensive or modern or far. Traditional الopposite بتاعها modern. Traditional تقليدي يعني قديم. So the opposite of traditional is modern. Number 6. The flat wasn't small as expected. As I expected. مش صغيرة زي ما توقعت. It was what? A or an one. Modern or noisy or large one. Large one. The right answer is letter C. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. Someone who studies the stars and the planets is called اللي بيدرس النجوم والكواكب بسميه ايه؟ Astronaut or astronomer or astronomy or asteroid. Which one? The right answer is astronomer. Letter B. Number 2. The antonym of the word cruel. عكس كلمة cruel ايه؟ Cruel equal unkind. يبقى الأوبوزيت بتاعها kind. So the antonym of the word cruel is kind. Letter D. Number 3. A group of animals or plants of the same kind. لما أقول مجموعة من النباتات أو الحيوانات من نفس النوع بسميه فصيلة. Which one? Letter A. Space or species or spoon or spade. The right answer is letter B. Number 4. To make an adjective from the word coast. الساحل عايز اخليها صفة ساحلي تبقى ايه ازود لها ايه we add the suffix what ness ion ive or al so coastal ساحلي. Number 5. The answer to this question is what? We all got it right. كلنا جاوبنا عليها صح. So the answer is remote or hard or simple or far. The right answer is letter C. Simple. Number 6. Which one of these do you use to move around your computer screen? أتنقل في خلال الشاشة بتاعت الكمبيوتر عن طريق استخدام ايه؟ A mouse or password or remote control or loom. Which one? The right answer is letter B. Password. Sorry. The right answer is letter A. Mouse. Again, which of these we can use to move around your computer screen? We use a mouse. The right answer is letter A. A mouse. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. The is a device which we can use to check people's temperature. أقيس درجة الحرارة باستخدام ايه؟ Mirror or telescope, thermometer or microscope. Which one? The right answer is letter C. Letter C, thermometer. Number 2. The synonym of the word enormous. معنى كلمة enormous ايه؟ Massive or classical or usual or national. Which one? The right answer is letter A. Enormous equal massive. Number 3. Ahmed loves taking photographs. He wants to be a presenter or photographer or journalist or vet. Which one? So he loves taking photographs. He wants to be a photographer. The right answer is letter B. Number 4. A person who travels into space is called what? A teacher or engineer or surgeon or astronaut. So a person who travels into space is called astronaut. The right answer is letter D. Number 5. We add the prefix space to the word normal to give the opposite. What is the opposite of normal? What is the opposite? إيه العكس بتاع كلمة normal? Normal, abnormal. The right answer is letter C. Normal and abnormal. Number 6. The fossils were preserved well for a further study. يعني اتحفظت عشان يعملوا عليها دراسات بعد كده. This means they were what? Sold, chosen or kept or discovered. The right answer is kept. Preserve equal kept. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1 is a damage caused to the air by chemicals and waste. طبعا ألوث الهواء يبقى تلوث الهواء. Which one? Deforestation or air pollution or ice melting or melting ice or weaving. The right answer is letter B. Air pollution. Number 2. I will reread the story. The prefix Re means to read it what? To read it once or last or before or again. So reread, it means read it again. So the right answer is letter D. Number 3. The space is a person who researches and writes news articles. طبعا ده سؤال مكرر. A vet or journalist or lawyer or photographer. The right answer is letter B. A journalist. Number 4. Preserve is the same meaning of what? كلمة preserve بتساوي ايه؟ وده طبعا آخر سؤال مكرر. Keep or destroy or graduate or retire. Preserve equal keep. The right answer is letter A. Number 5. My uncle has a lot of businesses. This means that he is a man. Lazy man or careless man, successful man or noisy. So my uncle has a lot of businesses. عنده أعمال كتيرة. So he is a successful man. Successful. Number 6. Siwa is a very famous oasis in Egypt. واحة مشهورة جدا في مصر. This means it is unknown or infamous or known or polluted. Which one? So famous equal known. Famous, known. The right answer is letter C. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. The prefix space gives the opposite of agree. عكس كلمة agree is what? Dis or M or L or mono. So which one? So agree, the opposite of agree is disagree. Disagree, the right answer is letter A. Number 2. Space means to be happy about something or satisfied with something. So happy or satisfied, it means pleased or word or focus or strong. Which one? The right answer is letter A, pleased. Pleased means to be happy or about something or satisfied with something. Number 3. The word make can give the similar meaning to the word make. Make equal what? So make equal give or advise or produce or take. Make equal produce. Make يصنع ينتج. So produce ينتج. So make equal produce. The right answer is letter C. Number 4 is a tall tropical plant that has hollow stems. So hollow stems يعني التجويف بتاعها فارغ من جوه. So corn or olive tree or bamboo or palm tree. So tropical plant, so we have bamboo. The right answer is letter C. Number 5. My father is my space. This means I admire him so much. Admire him so much, so he is what? A hire or be worker or hero or work. Worker طبعا مكرر هنا مرتين, this is not the right answer. The right answer is letter C. Hero. So my father is my hero. This means I admire him so much. Number 6. Mr. Kamal retired last year because of an old age. Because of his old age. The verb retire means that he died or stopped working or traveled. So retired equal stopped working. The right answer is letter C. Retired, stopped working. Letter C. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. A group of animals or plants of the same kind is spaces or species or faces or cases. The right answer is letter B, species. A group of animals مجموعة من الحيوانات أو النباتات من نفس الفصيلة. Number 2. If something is a space, it costs much money. So بيكلف تكلفة عالية يبقى is what? Easy or cheap or expensive or difficult. The right answer is letter C, expensive. Number 3. The antonym of the word boring. عكس كلمة boring اللي هي ممل. Possible or tidy or different or exciting. So boring is the opposite of exciting. The right answer is letter D. Number 4, we can't continue to use petrol for cars because it is not what? Sustainable or sustainment or sustainless or sustainer. Which one? So petrol is not sustainable. Not sustainable. The right answer is letter A. Number 5. The is the person who sees the event first and reports it. الشاهد. So the letter A, witness or cook or nurse or carpenter. The right answer is letter A, witness. Number 6, the suffix or it changes the govern. It changes the word govern into what? So govern أزود لها OR تبقى governor الحاكم. So it changed it into a noun. Govern is a verb. أحولها لgovernor الحاكم تبقى noun. So the right answer is letter B. Govern, governor. Choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, A is a piece of equipment that makes faraway things look nearer. بيقرب الأشياء is what? A satellite or a space station or telescope or length. The right answer is a telescope. Letter C. Number 2, the synonym of the verb avoid is معنى كلمة avoid. Avoid يتجنب. So it means what? Try or keep away from or take away, or the last one is slow down. So keep away from equal avoid. Number 3, the person who studies space is a space what? Dentist or scientist or artist or a pharmacist. So this sentence is repeated. طبعا الجملة دي مكررة قبل كده. So the right answer is a space scientist. Letter B. Number 4, to change the verb design into a noun that refers to someone who does something, we add what? Design يصمم. عاوز اخليها noun هزود لها ER تبقى designer. Designer, the right answer is letter D. Number 5, solar energy doesn't pollute the environment. This means it is what? Doesn't pollute يبقى هل هي dirty or green or non-renewable or polluted? Which one? Green, it doesn't pollute. Green area, it means it has no pollution in it. Number 6, Khalid would like to set up his own business. The verb set up, كلمة set up معناها إيه? Means what? Finish or start or play or use. Set up equal start. Set up a business equal start a new business.